let's look at bar 10 through 13 in Guitar Part 1 for Palisades. All right, now we're going to continue with the power chord shape using fingers 2 and 3. I'm playing this finger style and using my index finger for a down, and when I have an up. You could also play this with a guitar pick. But I like to play it finger style. So we'll look at bar 10. So we play the first F power chord, and we're gonna slide to G. Check out that rhythm. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and here's bar 13. Okay, let's take that again from measure 10. 3 E and 4 E and All right, let's play along.